Hi, it's Al here from DMR Bikes, and today I'm going to show you how to fit pedals. Tool-wise, there's not a lot that you're going to need. Depending on your pedal, you need a pedal spanner or a 6mm or an 8mm Allen key, depends on your pedal. You're also going to need some grease. The important thing to remember about pedals is that your left-hand pedal has a left-hand thread. The way to remember this is when you're tightening a pedal, always tighten it towards the front of the bike, and when you're loosening it, loosen it towards the back of the bike. First thing we need to do is remove our old pedals. So remember that this is the right-hand pedal, so we've got a regular thread, loosening it towards the back of the bike. Once you've loosened it with your tool, you should be able to just spin the pedal off. Then we repeat for the other side. So this being the left-hand pedal, it's got a left-hand thread. Again, we're loosening it towards the back of the bike. Before you fit your pedals, just make sure your cranks, threads are nice and clean. When it comes to fitting your new pedals, make sure the threads are nice and clean, and then apply some good quality grease. Grease is really important because it will prevent them from seizing, make them easier to get off down the line. Fitting is just a reverse of removal. Always start off the pedal threads by hand, because then you're less likely to cross them. And then finish off the job with your tool, be it your pedal spanner or your Allen key. Make sure that the pedals are tightened firmly so they don't come loose. Now fit your left-hand pedal. Remember, this is a left-hand thread. Easy way to remember, tighten towards the front of the bike. Always tighten by hand to start with, and then finish it off with your tool. Make sure they're nice and tight. So that's it, pedals fitted, all ready to hit the trails. Thanks for watching.